Welcome to Minnesota, the land of 10,000 plus lakes,
hot dish,
and you betchas. For the next 10 weeks,
we'll be exploring A-frames, cabins, hotels,
to bring you guys the 10 most epic stays throughout the entire state. And this week, we're headed to Nisswa, Minnesota, a small town known for being home to the Paul Bunyan Trail, fun turtle races in the summer, and an adorable downtown Main Street. Is there actually anything to do in the wintertime? We're answering all that and more as we show you guys the number 4 stay of our top 10 in Minnesota series. Welcome to NatureLink. We've just made it to our spruce number 2 cabin here at NatureLink, and apparently we are the only guests on the entire property tonight. Anyways, we're gonna go inside. As soon as we walk in, you guys can already see the reason why we picked this stay as one of the top 10 in Minnesota. Those views are everything. Now, before we really get settled in, there's one spot here on site that we really want to go check out. Wait, right?
Yeah.
Welcome to the on-site sauna. Now, because we're the only guests here tonight, we really wanted to take advantage of the barrel sauna before any other guests arrive tomorrow. Welcome to the spruce cabin. As soon as we come inside, we make our way to the kitchen. Now, the kitchen has everything you need. It has a full-size fridge, dishwasher, microwave, toaster, stovetop, oven, coffee maker, literally everything you need to cook right here in the cabin. And that brings us to the bathroom. Come on in. So this is the bathroom, actually one of my favorite spots in the entire cabin because the tub is just incredible. Not to mention, there is a skylight up top, and the rest of the bathroom is just really beautiful. Very clean, simple, and modern, and I love it. Moving on, if you make your way through the rest of the cabin, it brings you to my top most favorite spot in here, which is the incredible windows and amazing view overlooking NatureLink's own private island. So we've got the bedroom over here, also very beautiful, cozy spot to chillax, enjoy the view, enjoy the nice cozy gas.
Electric. You're almost there.
That was an electric fireplace, but it's okay.
It's actually an electric fireplace, and it's just super cozy. I absolutely love the windows. You can't get a better view than this. But that isn't the end of our tour. We're actually going to show you guys the entire property because NatureLink is also a wedding venue, which means the resort itself is huge and there's a lot more to see.
The way you look comfy.
I'm enjoying my grilled cheese. So we thought we'd take you guys right to the start. I've got my handy dandy property map with me, and we're gonna go explore everything. As you make your way down the beautiful pine tree lined driveway, you'll find yourself at the Sequoia and Redwood cabins. I believe these are the biggest on-site that you can rent here, and I'm not gonna break in and show you guys around, but we are gonna move on. The next stop on our right, if you're walking in, is the Catalyst Event Center. This is a huge part of the property. I believe that's where they have some of their more wedding events. It does sit right on the lake, and it's absolutely stunning. Next up on the left-hand side is the main lobby and Cypress Lounge. So you can actually go in there, pick up some board games, pick up snowshoes if you want them. I believe they have hot chocolate and some goodies, and their market is in there as well. Now that we've picked up our snowshoes for our next adventure, the next stop on our little property tour is the Juniper Cabins, which you can see behind me. There's only 3 of them, and I believe they each have 2 bedrooms, so they're a bit bigger than the cabin we're staying at. Right across from them is the playground slash grill area slash picnic spot, so that's another great spot to hang out.
You have to be on the other side.
Tyler has no friends to play seesaw with. And that brings us to the last stop on our tour, the Spruce Cabins, which is where we're staying. We love it. In my opinion, they have the best views, but that's up to you to decide. Now, you might be wondering why we picked up the snowshoes. Well, like I mentioned earlier, NatureLink has their own private island out in the middle of Clark Lake, so we're gonna snowshoe over there and check it out. I actually lied. Our most favorite part of the property here at Nature Link is of course the barrel sauna. Not sure how I forgot it, but Tyler was very kind to remind me.
Little does Deborah know, that is not the last stop on our tour.
In addition to the amazing barrel sauna right on the lake, there's also a huge bonfire pit with pre-chopped up firewood. I don't know if we'll be taking advantage of that on this day, but it's definitely here as an option. Off to the island.
Deborah, you forgot the snowshoes. You just gonna hike?
Well, I was gonna put them on at the lake.
Oh.
We can put them on now.
These can be yours. Are you gonna want your poles?
Yeah.
All right.
What if I fall through the lake?
All right, you can have your poles.
Then my poles will stop me from dying. You finally decided to join me.
Yeah, I finally figured out the snowshoes.
All right, you go first because I don't want to fall through.
All right.
Bye, Tyler.
See ya.
Yeah, that was not a very long hike at all. We've already made it to the island. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if there's anything actually over here, but we figured it was at least worth checking out. Fun poop.
There's a picnic table.
I will say there isn't actually a whole lot here, but it is one of the most peaceful spots I think I've been in a long time. It's really beautiful and there's literally nothing around. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's so peaceful.
That's what I said.
It is like just nothing out here.
Yeah, it's just nice.
Yeah.
It's kind of starting to get a little dark and cold, so we're gonna head back. And after making our way back to our beautiful spruce cabin, we took some time to fully warm up before ordering some calzones and having a cozy movie night. See if you want that one.
Cheers.
After spending the entire morning enjoying the peaceful views from right here in our cabin, we decided that today we're gonna try to get off of the property. We could have easily spent the entire day here again because they have so much to offer, but part of this series is showing you guys what there is to do nearby in addition to these amazing stays. So after playing a game of Connect Four to see who's going to buy dinner tonight, we're going to be heading off to explore what exactly there is to do here in Nisswa. I haven't played Connect Four in forever.
All right, so best 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh. Woo!
Ah!
Winner!
Dang it!
I had both places.
You won one.
I won one. Wow.
What does that mean then?
No one won.
So it doesn't count?
Nope.
All right.
Woo!
Oh, I was thinking I was next.
Winner!
No.
2.
Dang it, you win. All right, I buy dinner. Good game.
Good game. I finally won. It took,
Connect Four.
took 3 weeks.
We decided to make our way to downtown Nisswa to see if there's anything to check out here during the winter months. Plus, they have some pretty good shopping. Had to get a London fog from the Stonehouse coffee place. Now I can go explore downtown. Got some goodies for tonight. Tyler's very excited. Huge bummer, the Chocolate Ox, which is my favorite place in all of Nisswa, is only open on the weekends during the winter. So if you come, try to stop because they're amazing, but we won't be able to today. We kind of realized that a lot of downtown is closed down during the middle of the week, but we would recommend going if you're visiting on the weekends. It kind of started to rain and there wasn't too much else for us to look at, so we decided to drive to our next spot. After making our way to Pillsbury State Forest, we realized that a majority of the trails were a bit snowed in, so we ended up driving along, making our way through one of the most peaceful, snow-covered forests we've ever seen. Plus, we saw some turkeys. Gobble.
Gobble gobble. And some deer.
And some deer. Oh my gosh. And now we've made our way back to the spruce cabin to enjoy a puzzle. I'm assuming the table is not big enough.
One more. Wow. We did it!
We did it! Thanks for doing a puzzle with me.
You're welcome.
I'll show you guys how it looks too. Cocktails of the world, even though we don't really drink cocktails.
No.
Now dinner?
Now dinner. Let's go eat.
We came back downtown for dinner and turns out the entire downtown is lit up in Christmas lights. So super fun. We walked around for a little bit, but now we're gonna go eat. We've made our way to the Main Street Ale House right here in downtown Nisswa, and supposedly it's supposed to be the best place to eat in town. Now we'll see if it lives up to as much hype as Insula did last week. We're keeping our fingers crossed.
I would definitely recommend this place. It's so good. Might be my favorite burger I've ever had. Definitely recommend. It's delicious.
Alright, so you guys know that we couldn't leave Nature Link without enjoying one more sauna session.
It's nice and warm.
You seem so excited. It's time for my surprise! Oh my gosh, this is terrifying. Okay, we're done. We really wanted to guests here on Barrel Sauna. Why am I so awkward? There's a squirrel. London frog.
London frog.